Hello, aviators. How are you? Welcome to your new radio station. I'm just here for this first video just to show you the major layouts of everything here on your radio DJ. That will be the streaming service that we're using. Well, not streaming service, but the program we'll be using in order to stream. So here it is. Right here, you'll have the queue, which will be determining what will be played, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. All tracks, all voice tracks done, all sweepers, anything like that. That shows up here. Here you have your history, which is, pretty self-explanatory in terms of the fact that it will show you what has been just played recently and the duration. Everything's right there. Then you'll have song details, which is showing you what is currently playing and all of its details, year, album art if you have it. Up here you have your search, which will show you anything from any category, any artist that you're looking for. Say you're looking for some Arcade Fire. There you go. That's every track you have, every album, everything. And also in terms of any genre that you may have it linked to. Also, it will show you voice tracks, so anybody in your crew can put their own folder in there and record their own stuff and throw it into somewhere nice and convenient. Anything else like sound effects, sweepers, jingles, anything like that will show up in there. Auxiliary players are not important, and you will not use them. Right here, if you have any queued events, then that will be where it will show up. Incident players are prerequisited playlists and queues. I don't use them very much. You may find a liking to them. Alticast is our streaming service, and so that will constantly be playing and make sure that it is connected and enabled when you are streaming. Right here we have our track manager, which is an easy way to edit any track details, any genres, or names, or titles, artists, anything like that you can mass edit and change names. Here we have our playlist builder, which is self-explanatory. You can add tracks to this side here and create any playlist that you can then access from here. Or, sorry, not right there, but you can save playlists there, and then you can access playlists right here. Right here you have your now playing list, which it will update or show you any information that's shown when streaming from a player on the internet. You have audio processing, which you won't mess with very much, but it will show you equalizer and the compression of any track that you have. Utilities are important when dealing with any problem. If things aren't playing correctly, if things are refusing to play, it might be because of a setting you have on priority or play count. So it would be highly suggested that you reset every priority and play count, delete history, show any reports, maybe something showing up, whereas a file can't be displayed, it's the wrong format, it conflicts with other things like events, it will be shown right there. Anything else might be left to a database problem, which you might need to optimize it and update your SQL. Otherwise, you have options, and here you can change anything from sound cards to any other settings like changing the buttons. I don't think you'll need to change anything else. You have multiple options for that, but everything else is displayed. Now, this is based out of Romania, and so there will be a lot of translation problems. For instance, you have sound processing, which is audio processing, different things like that, weird quirks. It will be relatively easy to decipher what it means. Sometimes it'll be completely out of the ordinary and not make any sense. So, fair warning there, and have fun, because that might screw you up, but it should be fairly easy to figure out. Now here in options, you have track import, directory import, anything like that you'll need to put music into your library. But that's for a later date that I'll show you that. That's the basic overview. Right here you have your play buttons and everything. Everything's fairly self-explanatory, it's just getting around. That's it for now, and thanks for watching.